Alright, so I'll be doing an organic fry bakes today using green bananas, and green plantain. So I'm going to take just the outer layer of the skin of the bananas off and leave the rest as fiber, as well as the plantain. And then I'm going to grate it. I'm going to use this grater to grate the bananas and the plantain. And then I'm going to use it with a flour. I'm going to use it with flour and also with cornmeal. And I am going to add some sugar and the rest of the seasoning, spices. Yes, I will add it in it to complete this assignment today in my cooking lab on the I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so these are all the ingredients. Green bananas, plantain, alright, and flour, and sugar, and cornmeal, and all the various spices. Baking powder, and onion powder, Maggi seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and curry to add flavor, and of course, cooking oil. And these are the instruments that I will be using. I won't use a blender today. Today I'm going to use the old-fashioned grater, the modern old-fashioned grater to grate the bananas and the plantain. Yes, to make fry bakes, organic fry bakes today. All right. So you're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. All right. So I want to take off the outer layer of the skin. All right. Just the outer layer and leave the inner because it's going to be organic. Just the outer layer. I'll leave it like that. And so the rest of it is fiber along with the banana itself. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Now I'm going to do the same thing with plantain. I should have had my gloves on because my fingers are getting sticky already. Yes, and then all of this is going to be spiced up. Yes, spiced up with spices and seasoning to give it flavor and to give it taste. To make it taste delicious. So just come along with me on this journey and see if you like this journey. And I hope you enjoy this journey. This is a channel that you can learn to do different things. Alright, so that's the fiber, the skin, the inner part of the skin, that's the fiber you get. Alright, so I'm going to peel the rest of the bananas and plantain off camera. Alright, my friends, you see how the skin is on the outside of the bananas on the plantain. See how it's turning brown? Yes, that is the skin, the fiber that is turning brown. Alright, so now I'm going to begin to grate her. Alright, to grate the bananas and the plantain. So the first one, I'm going to grate her. Make sure I have the right side. Yes, is the plantain. This is the old-fashioned way. No blender today. No blender today. You're in my cooking lab on the Winston GeL. I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, this is the old-fashioned way that we used to long ago before there was blender and food processors. This is what we do in the old country. Yes, and still a lot of people are using this process. Nothing is wrong with it. That's what you can afford to do. That's what you're able to do. You work with what you have. Use what you have. Nothing is wrong with that. All right. So I'm taking you back to how it used to be before there was food processors and blender. And you're seeing this on the I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. This is the first time that I am attempting to create this recipe in my cooking lab. So I can only imagine what the outcome will be. I do not know exactly how it will turn out, but I am going to be very creative, as creative can be in this new recipe invention here today on the cooking lab, in the cooking lab of I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so this was the plantain. Yes, this was the plantain. So now I'm going to do the banana. The bananas. Plantain has a different flavor, tastes different than the bananas. A lot of people is confused. They don't know the difference between bananas and plantains. Yes, they're two different species and they have two different texture, two different tastes altogether. Yes, so I'm blending the two flavors. I'm blending the bananas along with the plantain to create a very unique flavor, taste. And you're seeing this only on the I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Only in my cooking lab can you see such creativity. All right, my friends, this is the last one. Yes, that's how you do it. That's how we used to do it in the old country, whether, we're in India, whether in the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Jamaica, Guyana, Trinidad, wherever. That's how we do it. Yes. Yes. All right. Perfect. All right, so that's done. Now, I'm going to scrape it off. All right, so I'm collecting. Because I'm not trying to get the metal off the grater. Don't need the metal off the grater. All right, now go on the inside, get the rest of the product. All right, let's scrape it there. There we go. You're watching I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, my friends, so that's how you do it. Yes, that's how you do it. So this is called a grater. This is a manual food processing. Yes, I'm manually food processing my bananas and my plantain. All right, so that is the product, my friend. My friends, that is the product of the bananas. Yes, bananas and the plantain. Right. That is the banana and the plantain. So I'm going to have breakfast and lunch for many days when I finish putting this together. All right, just watch the process. Watch what I do and learn so you can do it. You don't have to be rich. All right, you don't have to be rich to enjoy great, tasty, delicious meals. You just need to be creative and insightful with your imagination. All right. All right, I'm gonna rinse these up. I'm gonna add these inside. All right, I think I got all the flour, all the loose flour. All right. So I think spin this around, spin it around, get all the extra loose flour. Okay. All right. Okay, my friends, so we have come to the end of stage 2. So now I'm going to show you, this is the end product. This is after kneading the green bananas, the one green plantain with the skin, inner skin, that is the fiber, and the cornmeal, sugar, okay, some bell peppers for contrast, for color, and spices. Yes, and baking powder. So this is called a dough. Yes, that is called a dough. So now I'm going to take the dough out. See, I can hold it in my hands. Take the dough out and put it on my board. All right, so now it's on my board. So now I'm going to cut it in pieces and roll it out, press it out with this roller. Yes, I'm going to roll it out and then start to fry. You're seeing this on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. All right, see? All right. So now I'm going to put them back inside of this vessel. And back in here. And so with that one. All right, I'm going to put some flour on the board. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube platform. cut. Okay. Alright, so now they're ready for the frying pan. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Flame on. I'm going to pour my olive oil. I'm going to pour a lot of it because I need to make sure that these are fried properly. That oil can be reused. Heat while it's eating, then when it gets hot enough, then I'll put the organic fried bakes dough in the oil, olive oil, to be fried. The oil is ready. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube. Alright, so these are my bananas and plantain fry bakes. Yes. And you're seeing this in my cooking lab on the I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, taking some of these out. I think they're ready to come out. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. These are my bananas and plantain fry bakes. First time. I'm going to have this with some corned beef. There's some corned beef in the can. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube. These are my bananas and plantain fry bakes. Special. First time on YouTube. You're seeing this. Only in the cooking lab of I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright, this is the last dough. The last piece of the dough. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Alright. These out. You're watching online. Cooking YouTube. These are the roast batches. I have some special leftover oil from one of my projects. Do some corned Winston GeL cooking 3-2 on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to put some minced garlic, mince up some garlic into the oil. I call this a simper dish. Yes, a simper dish that you can make for your family. You don't need a lot of money just to do this. Simple dish, and the whole family will enjoy a very nice, tasty, delicious meal. Alright, so that is the garlic. Now I'm going to cut some scallion. Let's cut some scallion. Green onion scallion. You're watching Winston GeL cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Simmer a little bit. It's already cooked, but I'm going to let it simmer before I put the corned beef in here. Okay, I'm going to add my corned beef. You're watching I am Winston GeL cooking. 832 on YouTube. Liquid in here, so everything can fuse together, and then taste it and see if it needs something else. Well, actually, I'm going to add some black pepper in here. All right, I'm going to add some black pepper, and I'm going to put some liquid in here to loosen everything up. All right, I'm adding some water. Alright, we're finished. This is ready. Alright, so this is green peas and sliced carrots with corned beef and spices. Alright, so it's going to be going with the banana and plantain fried eggs. And you're seeing this first on the high-end Winston GeL cooking 832 on YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to do a taste test for you. Alright, I'll let you know how everything tastes. This is going to be for my neighbor. Alright, I'm putting my eggs on my plate. So what I'm going to have, I like the crispy ones. Yes, I like the ones that are very crispy. Alright, so that is for me. Alright, this is for my neighbor. It. Alright, so now I am going to make some tea. I'm going to make not just any tea. I'm going to make some special. Let me show it to you. This is soursop. Soursop honey, ginger tea, soursop flavor. Alright? Crystal. There's a crystal. That is a crystal right there. See, it has the color. Now, I'm going to pour some hot water on it. And no sugar will be added. Alright, so these are my bananas and one plantain with flour, with cornmeal, with sugar and spices and some bell peppers. Yes, this is what I've created. And this here is corned beef with vegetables, with carrots and green peas. And over here I have my soursop honey, soursop, and ginger tea. And that's what I'm going to do. So let me give thanks. Lord, I give you thanks for what thou hast provided for me. For the next blessed and purified cause, purities, that this will give me strength and health, I pray. Sustain my body. Bless the source of this food from the source. Plentiful and the bountiful and seed. Bless the measure of days. Give it health and give it strength to your power and your power. Give you thanks and praise and holy name. I pray. All right. There we go. Absolutely fantastic. Awesome. Okay, my friends, this bananas with plantain, with sugar, with cornmeal, baking powder, bell pepper, and spices. It tastes wonderful, delightfully yummy, yummy, delicious. It is, as it looks. Matter of fact, it tastes better than it looks. It tastes awesome. And with the corned beef, and with the peas and the carrot, it is extra special. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Please subscribe and support my channel on the YouTube platform. I am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Bon appetit.